At what age did you learn that the H-shaped logo of Hyundai actually represent a handshake? 5 soldiers from Lithuania that served at a reconnaissance unit were nowhere to be found while they were training. Fearing actual danger, troops were sent to seek out these soldiers. Assuming that they were being tested, the soldiers successfully evaded the entire search party, which even consisted of trained dogs and a helicopter. There was a comic book series chronicling an alternate Superman timeline where he lands in the Soviet Union instead of the United States. Nikola Tesla theorized that the application of electricity to the brain enhanced intelligence. In 1912, he crafted a plan to make dull students bright by saturating them unconsciously with electricity, wiring the walls of a schoolroom with high voltage lines. The plan was provisionally approved by the then superintendent of New York City Schools, William H. Maxwell. A picture from the top of Metricton, Everest, destroys the flat earth theory. Almost 5,000 people queued for hours in the rain to get tested to see if they were a match to help save the life of a 5-year-old boy fighting a rare cancer after parents asked for help. Japanese honeybees kill hornets by enclosing them in a ball of bees and then shaking so fast and generating so much heat that they cook the hornet at 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Flamingos are pink because they eat a lot of shrimp. Colors don't exist in real world. You see different objects colored because your eyes are sensitive to the spectrum of visible light. The universe has light in different wavelengths. So technically you can't be racist because there are no colors. Japan kept a train station in operation in a small village to enable a single small girl to commute to school. The train went only twice a day, when she goes to school and when she returns. An ostrich carriage being stopped by the police for crossing the speed limit, Los Angeles, around 1930. When a queen bee becomes sick, old, or fails to lay eggs in organized patterns, the worker bees will start a process called supersedure to replace her. Once a new queen becomes available, the worker bees cluster tightly around the existing queen in a process called walling, where they cause her body temperature to rise and die from overheating. Dying of laughter is an actual cause of death. The last notable case was when a man died of laughter because his pulse hit an estimated 250 to 500 bpm while watching a fish called Wanda. Dolphins, whales are the only animals other than humans known to commit suicide. Dogs laugh often, but humans have trouble recognizing it because it sounds like they are just panting. Multiple studies have shown that CEOs with MBAs are less likely to succeed in the role than their non MBA counterparts. The studies found that companies run by leaders with an MBA tended to decline more quickly and showed an inferior return on assets. When an 18-year-old Lady Gaga studied at NYU, her classmates created a Facebook group called Stephanie Germanotta. You will never be famous, where they called her an attention whore. She dropped out to pursue her music career full time. To women who wore shorts in public for the first time, drew male attention, and caused a car accident in 1937. During the Great Famine of 1876-78, 5.5 million people died in South India, and 325 million kg of wheat was exported to England. Did you know Hawaii was a kingdom from 1810 to 1895? Queen Liliuokalani was the state's last queen, a sovereign of the Kalkoya dynasty. She ruled 4 years before being overthrown by the United States. Liliuokalani is perhaps best known today for writing more than 160 songs, including Aloha Oi. During WWII, Britain created the lie that carrots improve nighttime vision to distract the Nazis from a new radar technology that they had developed to thwart the Luftwaffe's nighttime raids. Japanese scientists were able to successfully create an MRI machine that can interpret your dreams and can reconstruct them for you to watch while you are awake. In 2008, Michael Clore, an American soldier in Iraq, learned that his homeowners association had foreclosed on his house for $800 in unpaid debts. His $300,000 home was sold for merely $3,500. The family sued the association and subsequent buyers in federal court and later regained ownership of the house. Chocolate Cosmos adorn itself with amazing deep brown or chocolate colored flowers that emit a smell of rich chocolate. Grizzly bears consume up to 20,000 calories a day. Humans accidentally created a protective bubble around Earth. The use of very low frequency radio communications by humans has resulted in an artificial cocoon that could help protect the planet from solar flares and radiation particles. Modern humans first appeared about 300,000 years ago, but record keeping didn't begin until about 6,000 years ago. That means about 97% of human history is lost. The song Fly Me to the Moon was the first music ever heard and played on the moon when Buzz Aldrin played it on a cassette tape. In the 19th century, it was considered a crime to commit suicide in Great Britain. If caught, the person was punished by hanging. When pimps get arrested, their cash can legally be confiscated, but not their jewelry. This is why pimps wear lots of jewelry so that they can repawn it for bail money.